In 2016, Belmont Iceland announced it would be closing its doors, and simultaneously, the community came together to see if we could help restore Belmont Iceland and other rinks in the area, including the San Mateo Bridgepoint rink. Through city council meetings and much work, we were actually able to reopen the San Mateo Bridgepoint rink, which is still in operations today. Since then, we've been running programming like Robots on Ice and getting the word out that we still need more rinks to replace Redwood City and the Belmont rinks. We were also able to open a rink in Sunnyvale and continue to connect with local leadership to see if we can get the word out more about the need for these rinks and the benefits that they provide to the community for people of all ages. Coming up in December, we have an exciting gala which will help to fundraise for all of these causes, but we need your help to make this possible. So we ask that you buy a ticket, attend, or support however you can, so that way we can keep spreading awareness about the need for more ice rinks in our area.